If you're getting a file upload error in Descript, yeah, that can block your entire workflow. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, check your internet connection, because Descript uploads files to the cloud and a weak connection can cause failures. Next, make sure your file size and format are supported. Very large or unsupported files can fail to upload. Try renaming your file. Yeah, remove special characters or long file names that might cause errors. Now restart Descript sus. Sometimes upload errors are just temporary glitches. Make sure you're using the latest version of Descript. Updates often fix upload bugs. If it still fails, try uploading a smaller file or split your video into parts. Yeah, this helps avoid upload limits. And that's it. These steps should fix most file upload errors in Descript. If this helped, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.